Hi, welcome to another day in the life at Rindt. Today we're going to be focusing on the engine room, and we're really excited because we've got the guys from Serck Motorsport coming in who are helping us with some engine development for a couple of Rindt engines we're looking to release in the summer.
So I'm just finishing off this 944 engine.
Fantastic. What's left to go on this?
I'm just doing the leads at the moment, clutch is next, and then the bell housing. We're ready to go.
Great. And that's track car, isn't it, or race car this one?
Race car, yeah, we just got to prep the car before we put the engine back in it. Once that's all done, ready to go.
Excellent. Great, thanks Joe. Moving on down the other end of the engine room, we've got the guys from Serck Motorsport. Nick and Alex with us today, working in collaboration with Steve. And we're pretty excited because we've got this new Rindt engine that we've talked about a little bit over the last few months, kind of coming together. So guys, tell us what you're doing today.
Yeah, so I'm Alex and this is Nick. We're here to collaborate, as said, on some bespoke cooling of a couple of different variations of the engine. Nick is our designer and also in charge of our fabrication and machining. So Nick, do you want to say something?
Yeah, of course. We are looking to create this cooler for this new engine. That is really cool and really nice project for us, and we're looking forward to actually get at the end and have a really good result, a really good cooling system, and see what we can actually build as a really nice looking part of the engine.
So Steve, tell us a little bit more about this Rindt engine and why we're so excited about it.
Well, all I can say at the moment is it's going to be 4 litre supercharged, and we're hoping to get quite a lot of horsepower. So.
Excellent. Looking forward to having that in the back of the cars, and we're going to put it into a couple of the menu cars. So you've already seen the orange car, which is the Rindt 001. We're going to be putting a name together for that, which will be announced shortly. And then we've got the very cool chop car up at the metal workshop that you've seen a little bit of, so it's going to be going into the back of that initially as well. So, okay, thanks Steve. Let's see what's going on in the trim room. So James, I think these are the seats going into the blue 964 backdate, right?
They are indeed.
All finished?
They are indeed, all finished.
Let's have a look, see what's on here. There's one on maybe there. Oh my god, they're beautiful. It's fantastic. So talk me through this. So these are originally, I think, 911 turbo seats, right?
From a 930 turbo, right? These originally, yeah.
And then we've retrimmed. They're going
to the 960.
Is it what they call the Le Mans cloth? I think is it
Spirit
Le Mans cloth?
Yeah, with the Gulf colours.
That's absolutely stunning, isn't it?
We've worked that into areas on the dashboard.
Yeah.
And a little relief on the door cars as well. Yeah.
A little bit more to do on the inside of the car, right? And then we'll get these in the next week.
Yeah. I'm currently working on the back shelf. Again, it's had to be fabricated from scratch.
Right.
So it's taking a little longer than maybe would have liked. But,
and you kept this theme all the way through the car, haven't you? So
yes.
We've got the leather on the
show you over here.
Yeah.
We've got we've got the fabricated wheel arches and the extended bottoms all in now. They're finally in, so we don't have. You've got all the seat belts and everything in as well. My main problem now is sorting out the back panel. A couple of hours or so, I'll get to covering that in leather, and this will all start coming together really quickly.
Great. Well, as you saw last week, we got the engine into the 964. It's all connected up now, ready to go. Fired up a couple of days ago. Steve will be firing it up again later. That concludes another day in the life video focused on the engine room. Don't forget to click the Linktree link in the video to access all the other social media channels that we've got, and we'll be back next week.